Good morning, angel boy. Little baby one. Where's Fish Fart? Can you put some pyjamas on, please? Because it's cold downstairs. Yeah. Come on. Come on, everybody. Let's go, gadgets. Yeah. What are you saying?
Yeah.
So who thinks they've caught an elf?
Me. Me.
Do you reckon you've caught Sparkle Fart?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I got me.
What do you think?
We not got bad.
Can you put your dirt on the tool bench? On the tool bench, babe. He calls my bedside table a tool bench. Come on, sausage boy. Hold mummy's hand. What? Yeah, come on.
It's so slippery.
It's so slippery. Come on, sausage.
Beep, beep.
Don't beep beep on the stairs.
Beep, beep.
No, don't beep beep on the stairs.
Beep. Beep, 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 beep.
Oh, those kitties are so hungry. Right.
About to die.
Mummy's going to pretend to go this way.
They about
Come on then,
to die.
let's go. Go. Turn the light on, turn the light on.
That are best bread.
Come there. Turn the light on there, me, you can see if Sparkle Fart's in there. Sparkle Fart's trapped herself. She got stuck. Should we go see if you're...
It's down.
We've caught an elf. Turn the light on quick, Foxy, come on. No, Gary, no. Go on, Foxy.
Mummy, it's your elf's leg.
You caught an elf. Oh no, she's eating the biscuits. Good job, everybody. She made a mess of the biscuits. Naughty Evie. Naughty.
Mummy.
Oh, so we've got Daddy's elf with Daddy. Mummy's elf here.
Then put him in the trap.
Yeah, let's put her in the trap. Look in the mirror. Look. Ari, you got really tall. Look. Come show us your Christmas jumpers because it's Christmas jumper day.
Sloth.
Mika's got a glittery sloth.
What can change
Change colour. And Aria.
Got a singing snowman.
You know, you just press this bit. You don't have to put your hand underneath to do it.
Stop.
It won't stop. No, don't do that. Ready for school?
Yeah.
Christmas jumper day. You ready, little yellow
Yeah.
boy? You okay? Got yellow hoodie, yellow trousers, yellow coat. Cute. It's so icy. It's so icy, it's ridiculous. Look. I don't want to fall over. Ah! My doormat. Hey, I'm home. It's 9:58 in the AM. Oh, Binksy cat. I left the fire, so when I came home it was all nice. I just went to drop the kids off and I the head teacher at Aria and Fox's school said, oh, did you have any luck with the forms, like for the nursery funding? And I said, it's just a bit confusing. She said, oh, the finance lady's in today. So I went in after I dropped the kids off and I just sat and chatted to them for like 40 minutes in their little tiny office, which was nice. And they've helped me work out like what I am entitled to and not entitled to, and what we can get now that I'm on my own. So yeah, that's good. Ben's mum is coming round to watch Fox because I have to go to the dentist, which I'm not looking forward to. My lips are nearly better, but I'm sure the dentist will put an end to that and make them sore again. So I brought out my black glasses. Felt like I wanted to have a little bit of a change. I haven't had any breakfast yet. I need to just put a little bit of coal on the fire. I never know how you're meant to put coal on the fire, so I just kind of chuck it on and hope for the best. Oh, I'm always really worried that like one of these fuckers is going to fall out on me. Ooh, you stay in, you stay in. Right, okay. I think we're good. Yeah, we're good. I've got my little spinner there that chucks all the heat out. Oh, Christ. I filled up my coal bucket this morning, filled up my thingy. This is all stuff I want to burn. That's all like old stuff that I want to burn, like paperwork and things. Let's go and see the kitty cats because Binksy sounds like he's having a breakdown. How long before he climbs on my shoulder? Come on then, jump up. Come on. You coming up? Mr. Binks. Come on. Come on. You coming up? This boy. This boy. Oh, Binksy. Oh, Binksy. I love you so much, my baby. Oh, he's just the most beautiful boy in the whole world. Oh, I just love him so much. I just love him so much. I love all my cats. I'd just like to point that out. I do love all my cats. But this boy is just the best baby. Hands-free cat. It's just the best baby in the whole world. He's just so affectionate. Let's see where everyone else is. Hi, Chippy. Hi, Chiapolando. Oh, Tinappy Naps. Hi, Tinappy. She's the one. She's Binksy's sister. She's like the complete opposite. She's not cuddly in the slightest. Oh, just chappy Lindor. Oh, just chapping Lindor. Gary's not cuddly either. Oh, he's in my bloody box. If he's weeding that. If you've weed in that. Have you weed in there? Is there wee in there? No, you haven't. You're okay. You're forgiven. Oh, who's your gaudy boy? He's not cuddly either, but he does like lots of fuss. And he likes to fight you while he's having his fuss. And he likes to bite. And then Banana. Hey, Banana boy. Oh, this is his baby. Oh, this is baby. Oh, this is his baby. Boop, boop. You boop in the camera. Boop, boop. Gary always just looks fucking fuming. Gary, are you cross? Chippy. Hi, Chippy. Hi, Chippy. Right, I'm going to go and make myself a cup of tea because I haven't had a cup of tea today. I've had a coffee, but I want a tea. Haven't had any breakfast yet. So, yeah, we've got 2 elves now. And there's 2 more left to find. I wore my Don't Be a Dick top. Nobody cares, but I am trying to lose some timber. Have been for ages, but I'm actually down 13.7 pounds in the last month, so that's exciting. So one of my friends at school, and she was like, "You look really skinny," and I was like, "Oh my god, you're my favourite." So yeah, I told the school. They asked me what I did for a job, and I told them. And the head teacher's sister is actually a YouTuber as well, which is exciting. And I said, "Don't look at my channel though." I said, because it's just lots of sweariness. And she said, "Oh, I don't mind, it's fine." And she said she liked my jumper, which was nice. Yeah, I'm gonna go and make a drink, and I'm gonna make some soup. I'm at the dentist. I'm really hoping they say they can't see me because of my cold sores. But because it's a surgical thing, I've had to cancel twice because I've been ill. And they said if you cancel again, regardless of the reason, even if you've got COVID, if you cancel, then it'll get reset, and then I'd have to go all the way back to the NHS and then pay again to get this consult. So it's really annoying. But I'm hoping that they'll see this and feel sorry for me, and if they cancel it, it's fine. So I'm hoping that's what's going to happen. But we shall see. I'm now going to go in. My sunglasses. I've got too much crap everywhere. I've got... Why is this in my car? I've only had this car for a week. And it's already filthy. Yeah. I am going to go in and hopefully they'll cancel on me. 10 minutes later, I didn't end up going. I went in and I saw him. It's this guy called Naz, who is from Manchester. He comes down once a month. He's like an oral surgeon, and I've seen him before. And he's really nice. And I sent him a sweary card last time, and I explained that I just feel like crap and I've got cold sores. And so he has said, "They saw me today, but we didn't feel like it was the right thing to do, so I need to go back to my dentist, and then they will re-refer, but he doesn't think I'll have to pay again." So I'm now at the big Tesco, the giant Tesco, which I never come to because it's right on the other side of the city to us. So I'm very excited to go in and have a little look, and then I'm going to go and get the girls from school. Hey, it's 5:15. The kids are all fed. The girls are downstairs playing their tablets before I go down. This one, where is he? There he is. He's just had his story and he's going to play his tablet for 10 minutes, but he's getting really tired because he's still not 100%. He's definitely better, but I think it's just really zapped him. So, and he didn't sleep amazing last night. He was up in the night for a little bit, so I think he's just a bit more tired than usual. So I'm going to edit yesterday's video to go up tonight, and then I'm going to put him to bed, and then I've got a load of orders to do. If you are new, I am self-employed through YouTube, and also I have my own Etsy shop. I have 2 Etsy shops actually. I will link them down below, and I will also leave a cheeky discount code if you want to buy something and get some discount. I can't guarantee anything now for Christmas just because the strikes in the UK, the Royal Mail strikes, are absolutely necessary, obviously, for the post people to get what they deserve, but they are not amazing for little small businesses, for me and for everybody at the moment. So I can't guarantee anything for Christmas now, but if you want to buy something just for yourself or for whatever, chances are it would get to you before Christmas, but I'm not guaranteeing anything before Christmas now because yeah. Oh, I'm shattered. Absolutely shattered. I got such a bad headache. I'm very, very dehydrated. I think I did not drink enough yesterday, and it's caught up with me today. So yeah, I will talk to you in a bit.